Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore factory settings on a 40-inch TCL Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open settings. Inside, go up above the network to enter system. Here scroll down to advanced system settings and click on OK. Here first option is factory reset, and inside there's actually two different options. First one being reset TV audio / picture settings, and you can do it by pressing on the play and pause button 3 times. So this will only reset the settings that you've changed on your TV, but in case you want to reset everything, there's factory reset everything underneath. Now we need to enter the pin code on the right side, and the pin code is located right here above, below that keypad. Now enter the pin code. Click on OK and confirm that you want to factory reset your TV. And now the reset will be finished when we see the setup screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.